Wellgreen Technology Company Limited is an innovation-driven company. We have nearly 12 years of production and R&D experience in herbal extract and nutritional supplement for pharmaceutical, cosmetic, healthcare, food, feed industries with ISO 9001, ISO 22000, Halal, Kosher, FAME-QS, HACCP. Meanwhile, we set up 2 R&D centers in Shanghai and Xi'an for quality control, technology innovation, and new products development. In 2017, we registered Wellgreen brand and set up offices in Vietnam and Indonesia to push and deepen our brand to global market. Our factory has the whole production line of extraction, concentration, separation and purification, drying and clearance package with GMP requirement, which can feed 1,500 tons of raw materials annually and produce over 100 tons of standard extract, proportion extract, and high-purity active ingredient. We are equipped with a R&D laboratory and testing center. The R&D laboratory has a complete set of experimental R&D equipment and sustainable development to meet the market for new product demand. The testing center has high-performance liquid chromatograph, gas chromatograph, ultraviolet spectrophotometer, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, microbial detection, and other equipment and facilities, which can be strongly assured our technology R&D, production quality control, and product quality testing and control. In Wellgreen, we insist in the principle, top quality, excellent service, outstanding technology innovation, constantly development, and the goal of to be well in the green life, which promote us to put our efforts continuously to become your reliable partner. So join in us and create an even brighter future together.